Daphne. Today I will show you how to make my lemonade, the traditional and the healthy version. Before we start making our lemonades, here's a little fun fact about the drink. According to culturacolectiva.com, La Historia de la Limonada, in English it's translated to the history of lemonade. The earliest written evidence of lemonade has been found in Egypt, dated around 1000 AD. I wanted to share this quote because I found it interesting that the origin of lemonade is so old, since I always thought it started in 1676 in Paris, France. Now, let us start our lemonade tutorial adventure. I hope you have the necessary ingredients and the equipment if you wish to make the lemonade while watching. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. So now we're going to start with the healthy lemonade. You will use honey syrup or liquid honey if you don't have liquid honey syrup. For the honey you will need 1/3 cup. If you put your honey syrup in a bottle with a pour, make sure that the pour works. Sometimes, if the syrup is too thick, the pour will not work. So, you put the honey, the 1/3 cup honey, in the jar, 1 liter jar. Now for this time I will show a different type of juice extractor, which is an extractor that is often used in bars, and it's super handy because it doesn't take much space and it's very easy to clean. So, as I was explaining earlier, I will use the less nice lemons for the juice extraction. And here again you need 1 cup lemon juice. And if you aren't not able to get exactly 1 cup, once again, it's okay. Also, the reason I use fresh lemons is because fresh lemon tastes better than the concentrated lemon juice that you can find in the supermarket. Also, you get all the beneficial nutrients from fresh lemons. And it tastes much more yummier. You can also, if in your region if you prefer lime, for example, you can also do a lemonade with lime. And instead you can follow the same recipe, just you change the lemon for lime. or you can do a combination of both. Sometimes I do a lemonade, a traditional lemonade, which uses the simple syrup. And then for decoration, I use mint and lime, or mint and lemon, or sometimes lemon and lime. Depends on my mood. Today, in the previous, with the traditional lemonade, I only decorated it with mint. Well, with this lemonade, I will decorate it with lemon and mint. So, it's pretty easy to use this system. Bartending extractor, because it doesn't make your lemons fly out of your hand or fall out of your hand, because lemons can be quite slippery sometimes on the previous extractor that I used. Now, the current extractor I use is mainly for lemons and limes. You can find ones which are a bit bigger, and those you can use for also oranges, for example, or a quarter grapefruit. Now, also, sometimes I keep the half lemons for making a lemon syrup, and that's very simple. You take the husks, once you've expressed the juice, you put them in a big bowl, and you add sugar, and you just wait. So, as you can see, I've added my 1 cup lemon juice in my jar. And I will now slice some lemon slices for decoration. You can put the decoration either in the jar or in the cup, glass. For the water that you're going to use in this lemonade, it's again 3 to 4 cups. And the sweeteners, like the simple syrup, or in this case the honey, what the measurements I use is according to the taste that I and my family like. But if you like it more sour, you can put less. If you like it sweeter, you can put more. So do taste your lemonade, and yeah. So I hope you've liked this tutorial. And this time, in the previous lemonade, I used 3 cups, and in this time, I'm gonna use 4 cups. So here, this time, I will stir. I put again my mint spring in my glass, and then I put 1 slice of lemon in the glass also, and the other slice goes in the jar. Now, make sure I stir. As you can see, the color is slightly a bit darker than the traditional one. The traditional lemonade is a bit more like whitish yellow, and when you use honey, when you pour it in the glass, it's almost the same. So, for the honey one, I used the mint and the lemon for decoration, and for the traditional one, I used the mint. Now let's try. The traditional one is really refreshing. I let it sit for a while because I wanted the mint to infuse into my lemonade, but it's so delicious and refreshing. Really recommend it. If you like also mint. If you like more lemon mint and you want to go for the healthier one, like the honey, this one's also delicious. It's richer because you have also the honey taste, but when you drink it, you have the scent of the mint and the slice of the lemon. So refreshing, and it's also something I would recommend. This one is more towards the refreshing sour side, and this one's a bit more the richer side. But they're both, this one is for those who like more the traditional one with mint. You can also do it without mint. And those who like honey or prefer honey, you can use my healthy version. The reason I consider the one with honey more healthy is because honey has also a lot of beneficial nutrients, which you don't find in simple syrup. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And I will post in the description box the recipes for the lemonades, both the traditional one and the simple and the honey lemonade, including how I made the syrups. In the next Friday, where I'm gonna make another drink, which I call the apple virgin champagne. It's alcohol free, that's why it's called virgin. And yes, I really hope you look forward to it. Also, to inform you, on Saturdays I will do food videos, and tomorrow I will be focusing on salt and sugar condiments, which I flavor myself. And I will show how you can easily flavor your own salt and sugars. And I hope you look forward to it, and you're always welcome to watch my channel, Happy Healthy. Have a nice day, and goodbye for now, until next time.